Okay, so this is the second concept that we will cover in this presentation. And now this is going to be a review of all the uses of the present subjunctive. And so basically all the things that we've seen so far, it's going to be some of the slides you're going to see are familiar to you because I put together all the presentations in one big presentation. And so, and we know that we use the present subjunctive for many different situations. For example, to express influence. That's the one that we also use it for. To express emotion, doubts, and uncertainty. To refer to non-specific hypothetical or non-existent persons, places, and things, or to refer to uncompleted or uncertain events. Okay, so let's dive in this review, and we see a few examples here that are the verbs in bold are in the subjunctive. For example, here he's asking, ¿qué tipo de programa buscas? So what kind of program are you looking for? And then she's answering, mi consejera me sugiere que estudie en el extranjero. And so, my advisor is suggesting me to study abroad. Que estudie. That's in the subjunctive. Because, you know, it's someone is suggesting. If that's not for sure it's going to happen, but with suggestions and recommendations, those verbs trigger the use of the subjunctive. And then she says, quiero estudiar en un programa que ofrezca cursos de negocios. So I want to study in a program that offers business courses. And so also ofrezca, it's in the to offer, that's in the subjunctive. Okay, so let's review this present subjunctive. The first one is when we talk about influence, when someone is trying to persuade people or making suggestions or requests. And so every time that's the idea behind the idea of, you know, to influence the behavior of others, we're going to use the subjunctive. And these are some verbs that are common to use with influence or persuading others. Aconsejar, decir, desear, insistir, mandar, necesitar, pedir, permitir, prohibir, querer, recomendar. And the last one, sugerir. For example, and also esperar. So let's see a few sentences with these verbs in that trying to persuade. Carmen quiere que yo vaya con ella de vacaciones. So we have two subjects, Carmen and yo, and we have two verbs. And so Carmen wants me to go with her on vacation. And so it's a persuasion because, you know, Carmen she doesn't want to go alone. So she's asking this person to go with her. Ustedes necesitan que los lleve al aeropuerto. And so ustedes, that's one subject, and yo, that's the other subject. And so, and then the verb necesitar and the verb llevar, to take or to drop off. Yeah, it could be also that one. So do you need for me, or do you need me to take you to the airport? Like, do you guys, right? And also persuasion. Another one. Mi novio desea que yo recoja las maletas. So one subject is the novio, the other one the boyfriend, the other one is yo. And so desea. That's persuasion because, you know, someone wants that somebody else picks up the luggage. So desea que yo recoja. Subjunctive, subjunctive, subjunctive. The ones that express emotions, we saw this already. Alegrarse, some of the common verbs that express emotions. alegrarse, enojar, esperar, estar contento, lamentar, molestar, sentir, sorprender, temer, tener miedo. In the sentences, we already saw these sentences in previous presentations. Tatiana lamenta que Carlos esté enfermo. Espero que hagas más ejercicio esta semana. Juana teme que su madre padezca de artritis. All of these verbs express emotions. So we use subjunctive, subjunctive, subjunctive. These verbs express doubt and denial. Dudar, negar, no pensar, no creer, no estar seguro. Dudo que Camilo padezca de artritis. No creo que el médico sepa el diagnóstico. No estamos seguros de que consigas el trabajo. Tu jefe niega que tengas mucho trabajo en la oficina. So we see that there's doubt, there's like a denial, don't believing in something, not being sure about something, denial. And so we use subjunctive, 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 and subjunctive. When we were dealing with situations of certainty and beliefs, we are going to use the indicative. Creo que Luis va a conseguir el trabajo. This is certainty because I believe, I know. Probably this person has some facts that know, let her know that he's going to get the job. But when you don't think that something is possible, then there's uncertainty, and so then we use indicative. Subjunctive. No creo que Luis vaya a conseguir el trabajo. In this case, I don't think that Luis is going to get the job. These are some common verbs that express belief and certainty. Creer, pensar, saber, estar seguro. And some phrases are impersonal expressions that express belief and certainty. No hay duda que, es verdad que, es cierto que. When we have adjective clauses that refer to people, places, or things, when those are non-specific, hypothetical, or non-existent, we use the present subjunctive in those cases. For something non-specific or hypothetical, quiero conocer a alguien que sepa muchos idiomas. Or non-existent, no hay nadie que pueda traducir esta carta. And so, and then sepa in the subjunctive, pueda in the subjunctive. The indicative, when we want to express belief, right? When there's no doubt about something, or there's no uncertainty, or there's no disbelief, we will use indicative. Estamos seguros de que Luis consigue el trabajo. So for them it's a fact. Luis will get the job. Mi padre no niega que tiene el colesterol alto. Yo creo que el doctor sabe el diagnóstico. So indicative, indicative, indicative. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, chicos!